Welcome to my 0 to 10K challenge with Amazon advertising for my Amazon KDP books in 30 days. So let's see how we are doing today. Alright, so we have no sales today. However, I did make sales yesterday. I checked it late last night. But I don't think it came from the ads. So as you can see here, yesterday we got a few sales. It was like about 6 sales, which is pretty good. So let's see here. And what was it? Let's just say last 7 days. So that one we spoke about. Yeah, so this was yesterday, so nothing today. This one I'm confused because I think it sold 2 copies, but it's showing only for, it looks like only one. Yeah, one on here, but on the other thing it says 2-way purchase. So that I need to figure out. Or that could be for the 2 of them. I'll double check after. So let's see here. Okay, so I put this on just to show from January 1st to February 1st to show the spend. So I spent 49, I made 24. This is based off of advertising only, so my numbers don't get skewed. Yeah, last night my ad spend kind of went over, or not over, but it ran out of budget. Let me see if I can find that one. Change it. Yeah, this one. So this one I increased the budget because it ran out of budget. However, well, not however, it produced. We got 2 sales, but the A cost is really high. So this one I would need to drill down into and figure it out a bit better. As to this is costing me a lot of money, $29 as you can see, or 63 cents a click. So here I sold 2 books. I sold an ebook and a print version. So A cost is very low on that. That's good. And clicks are still low. I want to get it to a bit higher, like I'm getting a bit more clicks before I increase the budget on these 2. So the rest of these, they're not saying much. So I'm not going to touch it. Let's see if we can find anything. Why we're spending so much on this one and nothing's converting. Do sales. So where did the sale come in? Oh, this was in January. So that was one sale. The other one came January 28th. Yeah, so January 28th. Okay. I'm just not sure which one was which one came in. Either or, it looks like both were the ebook. Yeah, so let's put that back there. Let's see what it's what I have for targeting. Okay, so we had 2 sales in the last 30 days. Oh, wait, it's not showing current. And then let's show for the 12th. A second. So we go through these and see what is spending dollars. So the exact word, we're spending about 44 cents, 7 clicks, nothing. So when there's about 20 clicks, that's when you can decide whether you cancel it or you decrease your bid. So it doesn't look like I'm spending more. Well, this ACOS is high, but the book was $1.99, so that's when I kind of had like at the promo, which is fine. Yeah, I'm just getting little clicks here and there, but the little clicks I'm getting, it's a bit much. So I'm gonna switch all these around to make it cheaper to see if something hits. Like you see this one here. Oh no, it's 24 cents, 64 cents. So a bit cheaper than the other one, but I need the cost to come down some more. This one has a few reloads, so that I'm gonna go through. So I'll go through that after. Alright, so I figured out how to adjust them all at once. Just click here, and then you can hit this to put adjust bid. So we're gonna see if we're gonna start at 20 cents again and work our way up to see what's hitting from what's not, because the amount of money I'm spending on these ads is a bit much. So we'll see if that makes any difference. So let's go over to Canada, see if we got any sales. No. So we spent money, which is fine. Some money, but not a lot. There's nothing really to dread on this. I'm gonna have to put keywords in to get some traction over here. Let's go over to the UK. Let's see here. So we spent some money, but not a lot. But same thing over here, no real movement. So we'll leave that as is. Yeah. So let's go back to how much I'm making. Or how much I've made so far. So we got a custom. So January 12th I started. So today we have $51.87. Can't complain. I spent a bit close to that in advertising, but it's a lot of trial and error, right? So it comes with the territory. Once I figure out how to, or what the formula is for my ads, then I should start seeing increasing my profit and my ads kind of staying at one level, depending on what I choose to do with it. If I decide to increase the budget to help increase the sales. So that ends day 22. We're almost at an end of the 30-day challenge. If there's any questions or comments, please leave it below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the videos that I release. And yeah, I'm just enjoying this journey, and I can't wait to see what the results are at the end of 30 days. I will see you tomorrow for day 23.